Chavos!
Ciao!
Kumusta?
What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode, which we're calling Cooking with Chris and Gina.
Gina and Chris.
Gina and Chris. Cooking with Gina and Chris. Today's episode, we're doing something different. Our son Anthony gifted us a $100 subscription to HelloFresh. HelloFresh is a food delivery service. You get to pick out how many meals you want per week. You get to select from over 400 different meals. And we've been seeing these boxes of HelloFresh arriving at our neighbor's doorsteps. So Anthony gifted us a $100 discount coupon, which we decided to use. And our first box arrived today.
Ta-da!
And here it is. So this is the box right here. That's hello. So let's get right into it and see what's in there. You have no idea what's in here. I mean, we know what meals we ordered. We just don't know how it comes packaged. All right. Oh, okay. So here are, what are these? Oops.
Recipes.
There's stuff falling out of this thing. Okay, so these look like recipe cards. Wait. Yeah, recipe cards. So this is what we ordered. We ordered balsamic, what did I say? Balsamic tomato and herb chicken. This is cranberry Dijon pork chops and chimichurri barramundi. So we selected these based on the photos on the website, and on the back they have step-by-step instructions how to prepare the meals. So, all right, let's see what's in the box. What is this? We'll look at that later. All right.
Okay.
Here we have Hello Delicious Deals. Oh, it's a $100 wine voucher with a code on it. So if anybody wants this $100 wine voucher, leave a comment below. I'll email you the code. And Zazzle and Kiwi.com. By the way, this video is not being sponsored by HelloFresh or any of these services. More boxes, more rewards. Oh, look at this. Okay, so this is the foil insulated packaging.
Wow, it's different.
Grab that. Oh, what's this? New York cheesecake. There's a New York cheesecake in here.
Dessert.
Tiny. Okay. What else do we have? So 1, 2, 3 paper bags of. These must be the ingredients to make the meal. Oh wait, there's some more put in there. Don't forget about ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. There's ice in here. Oh, that's a big solid chunk of ice.
Oh, here. In the sink.
Put it in the sink. And there's the meat. We have the boneless pork chops, chicken cutlets, and barramundi. I don't know what
It's a fish.
Okay, I've never heard of barramundi. And then we have 2 more blocks of ice.
That's why it's so heavy.
That's why it's so heavy, yeah. I think we can put this down. Alright, so Gina says we're gonna cook this. The chimichurri barramundi with lemony carrots and garlic couscous. Alright, well, let's get cooking. Alright, so let's see what's inside the bag.
Okay. Carrots. Another carrot. One more carrot.
Wow, how many carrots are in there?
I think that's it for the carrots. Cilantro. Lemon. BG.
Oh, looks like vegetable stock.
Vegetable stock.
Veggie stock.
Ground cumin. A bag of couscous.
A bag of Israeli couscous.
Chili flakes. The last is garlic cloves.
Garlic cloves.
Just
That's it?
2, yeah. That's it.
First step, adjust rack to top position and preheat oven to 425 degrees. Wash and dry all produce. Trim, peel, and cut carrots on a diagonal into 1/2-inch thick pieces.
Okay. I peeled the carrots and Chris, the one who's gonna slice.
Finely chopped cilantro. So zest and quarter lemon. So the zest is all inside here. We're gonna pull it out later. Quarter lemon. Peel and mince or grate garlic. Toss carrots on a foiled lined baking sheet with a drizzle of oil, salt, and pepper. Roast on top rack until golden brown and soften 20 to 25 minutes. While carrots roast, in a small bowl, combine cilantro, half the cumin, half the lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a big squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of garlic. Season with salt and pepper and chili flakes. Heat a small pot over medium-high heat. Add 1 tablespoon butter, couscous, and the remaining garlic and cook, stirring often until the garlic is fragrant and couscous is lightly toasted, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you'll want to stir in 3/4 cups of water and the stock concentrate. Bring it all to a boil and cover and reduce to a low simmer. Cook until al dente, about 6 to 8 minutes. While the couscous cooks, pat the barramundi dry with paper towels. Oh, there's 2 pieces in here. Then season generously with the remaining cumin, salt, and pepper. Heat a drizzle of oil in a large, preferably non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Add the barramundi and cook until opaque and cooked through, about 4 to 6 minutes per side. Then turn off the heat. All right, now comes the moment of truth. You want to try it first? I'm scared. You try it first. No, you go. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. The skin is nice and crispy. Wow.
Delicious.
That's actually good. Better than I expected.
Very good.
The sauce is good too. Okay, carrots. Carrots are sweet.
Everything.
And it's just olive oil, salt and pepper on the carrots, and that's it.
Couscous very good too.
Couscous. It's really getting cold, so it's sticking together, but not bad. I would say it's restaurant quality. What do you think? Like a 3.5-star restaurant or 4-star restaurant quality.
Yep. Very good. Fish is not fishy. Tastes fresh.
Man, that skin is so crispy. So, the instructions.
Wow. Very good.
My mouth is full. Alright, so the food is very good. The fish was very fresh. When we unpackaged it, it didn't smell funky or anything, even though it was in transit for, I don't know, at least 2 days. But it was on ice. It wasn't frozen, but it was on ice the whole time. The vegetables were all fresh. I mean, it was just carrots, cilantro, and the lemon. But the ingredients were fresh. The instructions were very good, very detailed, but not overly detailed. They were very
simple.
Easy, yes, very easy to follow. I would recommend it. I'd recommend it. Yeah. If you're interested, leave a comment down below. I'll send you a coupon code to get a discount or even a free box. And try it out. Let us know what you think.
Okay guys, see you guys next time. Ciao.
Ciao.